Hi, I'm Zulkarnain, and today we are going to study about the machine learning, in which we study the three types of learning, that how we can train a machine to think, to realize the materials are working with. We are going to study the algorithm of unsupervised learning, k-means clustering. So in k-means clustering, we have few things. First of all, what is clustering? Clustering is the task of grouping a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group are more similar to each other than those in other groups. Then, why would we want clusters? Clusters is usually used to classify data into structures that are more easily understood and manipulated. Third one is, or how would you determine the clusters? Clusters are identified by applying a mathematical algorithm that assigns vertex to subgroups of relatively more connected groups of vertices in the network. Then, what are the strengths of k-means clustering? Simple iterative method and user provides k. And we have here few weaknesses. Weaknesses are often too simple, bad results. Difficult to guess the correct k. Then basic algorithm, step 1 is select the k, step 2 is randomly select initial cluster seeds. Here we have a photo of clusters seed 1, seed 2. An initial cluster seeds represent the mean value of its cluster. In the preceding figure, cluster seed 1 is equal to 650 and cluster seed 2 is equal to 200. Step 2. Calculate distance from each object to each cluster seed. What type of distance should we use? Squared Lucite distance. Third, step 3, assign each object to the closest cluster. Then we have the k-mean cluster seed 1 and seed 2. Here you can see the both clusters. Iterate, calculate distance from object to the cluster centroids. Assign objects to closest cluster. Third one is recalculate new centroids. Step based on convergence criteria. No change in clusters. Max iterations. Distance measured is squared Euclidean. Scale should be similar in all dimensions. Rescale data. Not good to monitor data. Why? Approach tries to minimize within cluster sum of squares error. Implicit assumption that SSE is similar for each group. Bottom line, k means easy to use, need to know k, may need to scale data, good initial methods, local optima. No graduate of optimal solution. Repeat with different starting values.